welcome to my weekly vlog. I was going to do a daily vlog, but I don't really have anything exciting this week. Besides Friday, I have a photo shoot, which I will take you guys along. But other than that, nothing exciting. Working tomorrow, working Thursday, just gym every day. I might do a little bit of meal prep this week, get back into it for my reverse diet, and that's about it. I went to the servo and got one of these H2 coconut water juice things, sparkling passion fruit. It is so nice, like really good. It's so refreshing. I don't know why I haven't got one of these before. Is it even coconut? Carbonated passion fruit juice. Oh, okay. Well, it's passion fruit juice. I thought it was all coconut. I don't know. Anyway, it's really good. It's 12:30. I've already been to the gym. I did a upper body session. It was really good. I'm actually really sore from yesterday's lower body workout, which would make sense because I've changed my workout program as of this week. Just doing my own things because I've been following a workout program for the last 30 something weeks, so to get back into my own little swing might take a week or two to feel normal again, but I feel good, and yeah, it's really enjoyable doing my own. I craved. A little afternoon walk. This is the kit, looking like a full mum. Anyway, it's a beautiful afternoon. Just finished work and we're going to do our little weekly grocery shop. Good afternoon, everybody. Finished work and went grocery shopping. We had a bit of grocery shopping to do because our fridge was a little bit empty. So yeah, don't come for me for how unhealthy this is. It's actually not that bad. It's kind of just stuff that we needed for the house. Cereal is personal. But yeah, just a couple dinners and lunches, some Muscle Chef meals just for work tomorrow because we are having, what are we having for dinner tonight? Lamb cutlets.
Crown cutties.
So I'm not going to take them to work tomorrow. Yeah. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday today. Just put up to the gym and going to train glutes and hamstrings today. I had a rest day yesterday because I was a little bit sore from Monday and Tuesday. But that's okay. Straight back into it today. Have work at 12, so nothing else more exciting today. Tomorrow is that shoot, so I'll take you guys with me there. Work Saturday. Nothing exciting, really. And Sunday is the grand final, and Panthers are gonna win, and if they don't, I'm gonna be really upset. Anyway, I will see you guys in the gym. This morning, and I had breakfast, but I'm not feeling it today. Just got home from the gym. to make some breakfast. Oh, I've already had breakfast. Well, I had a pre-workout snack before the gym. I'm just gonna have some avocado on some toast. This bread that I bought, did I go from Woolies or Coles? Coles. Whole Vienna. Wholemeal Vienna. Good afternoon, everybody. It is, what's the time? 6:30, Thursday night. Finished work for the week. I'm just making some breakfast. We've got here little chia pudding on the bottom, overnight oats, and I just put some coconut on top, and then I'm going to add some apple slices, canned, and some cinnamon. It is such good, it's like dessert, but for breakfast. It's so good. Just easy for tomorrow for Tim and I, and I'll probably have another one Saturday morning. Also cut up some watermelon to snack on, and we've got dinner in the air fryer. Not gonna open it, but we're being a bit naughty tonight. It's pork belly. So excited. Anyway, yeah, just gonna have a chill little night in, wake up tomorrow morning and go to that shoot, which I'll take you guys with me. Good morning. It's Friday, 7:13 a.m. Going to have some greens this morning. Red Dragon greens, breakfast juice flavor. It's literally like drinking breakfast juice. It's great. Got that shoot today. We're actually meant to be leaving in half an hour. Still need my breakfast and get ready. Yeah. Oh, I just straightened my hair. I feel so much better when I straighten my hair. I feel like this whole vlog just looked homeless. But now I feel better. Anyway, I'm gonna start having greens every morning now. I used to have it every morning, and I kind of stopped during prep a little bit. But I'm gonna start doing it again every morning. The first thing in my belly is greens. Smile. Hi guys, we just got to the gym. It's pretty cool. Metro Flex in Louis. Just waiting for the photographer to show up. Got all the shirts there. Here we are. They're so cute. Bye. Just finished the shoot, and after that we went over to Fleur and did chirotherapy. It's basically like a sauna but other way around, and it's really really freaking cold, and it feels so good. Like I feel so alive. It was mad. It was so cool. Anyway, gonna go get something to eat because I'm starving, and then probably head home. just about to go for a little walk at the marina, but got a sneaky little donut and a coffee, and it came with a little cookie. So much for a reverse diet. Good morning. It is Saturday. What's the time? 8:12 a.m. Just gonna go to the gym this morning, train some, I don't know what I'm gonna train. I'm training upper body. I might do back and biceps today. Going to take my greens this morning, and for the gym, I think we're gonna go with Pride this morning. It's been a while, but I think I'm gonna go with Pride and my creatine. Afternoon, guys. It is 1:48. I am just about to go into work for a little bit. Went to the gym this morning, did back and bis, and it was really good. Felt good training biceps. They're a little bit sore because I haven't trained them in a while. But it was good. I did a little ab workout as well. I didn't do cardio because I normally do the stairs, but the stairs were a bit full and I kind of just wanted to leave, so didn't get to cardio today. It's been so hot today. It's 26 degrees and I'm going to work. So sad. But tomorrow is meant to be hot as well, and I think me and Tim are going to go to the beach in the morning, and then probably just get a nice tan, and then prepare for the footy grand final. Watch Penrith win. I think we're gonna have a little platter because like we watch the footy every weekend, and normally I like to make like a little platter with like some meat and cheese, but obviously I haven't been able to do that in prep, so we're gonna do that tomorrow, and I'm so excited. Like a little charcuterie board kind of thing. So we bought some deli meat and some nice cheese and crackers and stuff, so that'll be cute. Yeah, I don't know if this week's been very exciting. I don't know how exciting this vlog will be. But I'll end it tomorrow afternoon. Look how dark my hair is now. It's so dark. I used to have blonde hair, and then out of nowhere I was like, I want dark hair. But I kind of like it. It's a lot healthier since I did it. This is pretty much my natural color now. And it's a lot healthier. It's gonna grow nice and long. I want to grow long hair, so when I compete next, I have nice, thick, long hair. On that topic, I don't know if I've spoke about it before, but I will be competing again. I'm gonna aim for season A 2026, so it gives me like a whole year to kind of just get my shite together and be a bit normal again. I'm gonna train extra hard at the gym, just get all my strength back because I'm feeling a bit weak. But yeah, 2026 season A. Not sure what I'll do yet. Well, obviously bikini, but I'm not sure which ones. Yep, decide when it gets closer. Yum! Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday and we just went out for breakfast and it is hot today, so we're going to the beach, but we came to the shops a bit early. They're open in 5 minutes because we need beach towels. We do not own beach towels, so we're gonna get some beach towels and then head off to the beach. Hey guys, so we just got home from the beach. It was so beautiful, oh my god. Tried to get a tan, kind of gone, a little bit. Anyway, I still actually have tan on me from the show. I don't currently see it that well, but there's tan on me. But we're gonna make a little platter and have some sausages on the coals and have a nice little night.